Hello, everybody. Welcome to my trading log. Today's Monday, October 7th, 12:36 p.m. This is Jerry Furst. This is strictly for educational purposes and education, and it involves significant risk of financial loss. Only trade with money you can afford to lose. This is my trading log. Let's take a look at. I've got a trade that I'm trying to sell at this point for $1.06, 10 of the Autodesk. October 1. Up, there we go. Okay, so we got it. Let's take a look here. Hang on a second. Okay. So we've got on Autodesk, I've sold 10 of the October 42 calls. So I've now got a calendar that I've legged into. I'm long the 42 Novembers, short the October 42 calls. My strategy is to get out of this 42 call for October by the end of the day or tomorrow, as the market is starting to push lower here as we get it's about 12:40 in the afternoon. So what is my strategy and why? Okay, so let's take a look at Autodesk for a moment. Autodesk is a stock. If you've been attending the workshops and seminars uh, here live in South Florida, I have been talking about Autodesk now for months. And if we look at the weekly chart, we have a beautiful triangle pattern, and we are in play to the upside. We have broken out of the triangle to the upside. We've broken resistance. We've made a high last week around, let's see here. What was the high for last week? 42.82. Currently trading at 41.97. The market today, right now, is under a little bit of pressure as we continue with the budget and political issues facing the market. So this is the daily chart, and you can see that I have targets down here at about 41.43, and then we have some more support just down here at about 39.54. I'm saying give me 41. If we can come down to 41, let's take a look and see what that looks like. So first thing I need to do now is I need to update my option view. This is currently, you can see with the option view, this is the legend. So here I had 10 contracts that I was looking to trade. Now I hit the convert trade. That now is an existing position. I have to jump back into double check. I sold it for $1.06. So when I go back to option view, hit my trade log, I can go ahead and see that, okay, I hit $1.06. All right. And that's about, I like to, if I'm going to sell something, I want to get at least $1, maybe 80 cents, anything below 80 cents. It depends. Everything depends. Okay, so now let's take a look quickly at, this is my existing trade now. And so I like calendars. I got some time decay. My concept is that T0 today, okay, if we can drop down to 41, if we can drop down to 41, remember my target long term is to the upside with the November 42 calls. Okay, but if we can get down to 41 today and with no change in volatility, I should be able to pull in about $325, whereas I sold for $1.06. I theoretical price should be about 68 cents. So what I'm going to do, I'll go out to my October 32s. I'd like to sell that now that I bought it. And so we're going to go ahead and say buy it back for 70 cents. And we'll make that good till cancel for now. Confirm and send. All right. So there's the trade working, looking to go ahead and pull in 70 cents. Actually, I'm sorry, about 36 cents. And so that is a new trade as I've legged into my Autodesk trade. Again, what I've shown you here is on the weekly chart, beautiful, well-formed triangle pattern breaking to the upside. My first target 44.70, second target 45.50, and I have other targets above this range as well. So let's see here. 58.80, 54.88, 51.35. The idea is to have targets. So as long as I'm speaking about this, and I'm probably going to send this little video out to the audiences, if you are interested in learning how to come up with these targets, how to identify these chart patterns. If you want to learn how to improve your edge, go to ienweb.com, or you can just actually here, just go to Google and you can type in my name, Jerry Furst, and you can click on the Investors Education Network website. You can click on Trader Help on the menu bar up here. By the way, we do have live meeting coming up Tuesday, October 29th and Wednesday, October 30th. Okay, October's focus will be on stock sectors and industries, as well as looking at the current markets. Okay, but click on Trader Help if you're interested in a workshop. It's going to take place this coming weekend, October 13th and the 20th. 2 full Sundays stretched out over 2 weeks. And you'll have access to me for 2 weeks for coaching and mentoring. And we'll talk about high probability chart patterns, moving average strategies, entry and exit strategies, step-by-step processes and checklists, candlestick reversal patterns, Fibonacci retracements and extensions, how to understand multiple time frame strategies. You'll get lots of web resources. We'll be discussing trader psychology and business plans. Uh, you will have hands-on assignments over the course of 2 weeks, and you'll have access to software so that you can use that anywhere in the world with whatever hardware you may be using. We'll talk about hardware considerations as well. Again, you'll have 2 weeks access to me. What you'll want to do is click over here on this link. We are limited to 12 people. The cost is $1,618 because we've now gone past the October 5th registration date. So for those of you who were thinking about it, the cost is now $1,618. That is a Fibonacci number. Click on this survey form here and I will be in touch with you. Fill out the information, make sure you put in your email and valid phone number. This will be conducted live in Fort Lauderdale, not a fire hose approach, not a webinar. Live in Fort Lauderdale, 2-week trader workshop. Again, this is Jerry Furst with Investors Education Network. And welcome to my trading log. You can get in touch with me at jerrybfurst at ienweb.com or go to investorseducationnetwork.com. Either place will get you Investors Education Network, even Traders Education Network.com or ienweb.com. Over and out.